Lithium-ion batteries have been powering our devices for decades, but as the demand for energy storage continues to grow, we are starting to run low on the critical element lithium. However, there's good news on the horizon. A new player has entered the game and it's ready to shake things up. Say hello to sodium-ion batteries, the latest development in energy storage technology that promises to be a game changer. In this video, we'll explore the limitations of lithium-ion batteries and how sodium-ion batteries are poised to take over as the go-to energy solution. What is sodium-ion? Sodium-ion batteries are a type of rechargeable battery that use sodium ions as a charge-carrying species instead of lithium ions. Sodium-ion batteries have been gaining attention as a potential alternative to lithium-ion batteries because sodium is a much more abundant and inexpensive material compared to lithium, making sodium-ion batteries potentially more economical to produce. Like lithium-ion batteries, sodium-ion batteries consist of an anode, cathode, and electrolyte, but the materials used in each component are different. In a sodium-ion battery, the anode is typically made of graphite, and the cathode is made of a sodium-containing material, such as sodium cobalt oxide. The electrolyte is typically a sodium-ion conducting material, such as the solid polymer or liquid solution. What's the big advantage? One of the key advantages of sodium-ion batteries is their abundance of sodium. Sodium is the sixth most abundant element on Earth and is widely distributed in Earth's crust, making it a more sustainable and economically viable option for large-scale energy storage. In comparison, lithium is much less abundant and is found primarily in lithium-rich brine deposits, which are more limited in their geographic distribution. The abundance of sodium means that sodium-ion batteries have the potential to be produced on a larger scale, reducing their cost and making them more accessible for a wider range of applications. Sodium is also less expensive than lithium, making sodium-ion batteries potentially more economical to produce. This lower cost of production could translate into lower-cost energy storage solutions for customers and industries, making sodium-ion batteries an attractive option for those seeking an affordable and sustainable energy storage solution. In addition to these factors, sodium-ion batteries have a similar energy density to lithium-ion batteries, meaning they have the potential to store a similar amount of energy in a similar-sized battery. This is important for applications that require a high energy density, such as electric vehicles, where a large amount of energy storage is needed in a compact package. Sodium-ion batteries have a lower risk of thermal runaway, a dangerous condition that can occur in lithium-ion batteries, which can result in overheating and even fire. Sodium-ion batteries have a higher operating temperature window, making them less prone to thermal runaway. This makes sodium-ion batteries a safer option for applications where safety is a concern, such as in large-scale energy storage systems. However, the largest advantage of all is that the sodium-ion battery technology is still in its early stages of development, so there is room for improvement in terms of performance and efficiency. With continued research and development, sodium-ion batteries have the potential to become a highly competitive energy storage solution, offering improved performance and efficiency compared to lithium-ion batteries. A new electrolyte has been developed for a high-voltage sodium-ion battery, increasing their lifespan and making them a promising alternative. CATL, the world's largest battery maker, has recently launched the first generation of the sodium-ion battery with an energy density of 161 watt-hours per kilogram and a fast charge time. This battery is expected to be cheaper and lighter than its lithium-ion counterpart, with a higher thermal sustainability and safety rating. CATL is working on a second-generation sodium-ion battery that will have an energy density of over 200 watt-hours per kilogram, making it more powerful than the lithium-ion phosphate technology and approaching the performance of existing nickel-based lithium cobalt batteries. Full production is expected to come online in 2023, and CATL is looking to supply not only the automotive industry but also electricity grids. What are the limitations? There are also some limitations to sodium-ion batteries, such as their lower voltage compared to lithium-ion batteries, which can result in lower overall energy efficiency. This means that sodium-ion batteries may not be the best choice for applications that require high voltage, such as some electric vehicle applications. Additionally, while sodium is a more easily recyclable material compared to lithium, recycling sodium-ion batteries can still be more difficult compared to other types of batteries. This is because the recycling process for sodium-ion batteries is still in its early stages of development, and there are challenges associated with the recycling of the sodium-ion batteries that must be overcome. Sodium-ion batteries also have a lower power density compared to lithium-ion batteries, meaning they may not be the best choice for applications that require high power output, such as some power tool applications. They also have a shorter life cycle compared to lithium-ion batteries, meaning they may not last as long. The cycle of life of a battery refers to the number of times a battery can be charged and discharged before it begins to degrade. Despite these limitations, sodium-ion batteries have the potential to become a significant player in the energy storage market due to their low cost and greater abundance of materials. The development of sodium-ion batteries is an exciting area of research, and it will be interesting to see how they evolve and become integrated into our energy storage systems in the future. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.